Hello boys and girls, today we're going to start some new material. Throughout the school year, we focused on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponents. And you've done a great job with all of those. You're pros at it now. So today we're going to focus on the order of operations. With this new material, I'm going to tell you how you need to solve the problem in order that you need to follow. While watching this video, please make sure that you have a pen or pencil and a piece of paper. If you have any questions throughout the lesson, please make sure you write them down so we can discuss them tomorrow in class with all of our classmates. After watching this video, you are going to be great at solving equations using the order of operations. Okay. Boys and girls, we are going to begin our order of operations lesson. Please make sure that you have a pen or pencil and a piece of paper handy so that you can solve the equations while I'm going through them. Here is the order that you must use when solving our equations. You're going to start with parentheses, move to exponents, do multiplication or division, whichever comes first in your problem, then addition and subtraction, again, whichever comes first. You'll see on the right-hand side of the screen, I have some examples for you. You'll see this is what parentheses look like in an equation. Exponents will look like this. You'll have a large number with a smaller number up the top. Here you see the different forms of multiplication. We have 3 times 2 in this one. And again, here is 2 times 3. Or you may even see multiplication problems just like this. 4 times 4. Again, when trying to remember the order to solve these equations, just remember this little sentence. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The beginning letter of each word will help to remind you of each operation. Boys and girls, let's solve a problem together. On this slide, you see we have 3 plus 15 minus 5 times 2. I want you to say to yourself, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's P-E-M-D-A-S. This will help you to remember the order that you have to use. So what should we do first? If you said multiply, you're correct. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now let's bring the rest of that problem down. So we have 3 plus 15 minus 10. The 10 came from the previous part of our problem, 5 times 2. So next we'll add, then subtract. 3 plus 15 equals 18. 18 minus 10 equals 8. Great job so far. Let's try one more before you try a few on your own. Here we go. Remember, P-E-M-D-A-S. Say it out loud to yourself as you're doing each problem. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. In this problem, we have start parentheses, 8 divided by 8 plus 2 plus 11, close parentheses, divided by 2. The dashes here represent division, which you will see looking like this. So, what operation do we do first? If you said parentheses, you're correct again, but you still must follow the order. So inside the parentheses, we ask ourselves, any exponents? No. Any multiplication? Nope. Any division? Yes. 8 divided by 8. Boys and girls, on this slide, I rewrote the problem for you. The first thing I'm going to do here so that I can keep the order straight in my head is I'm going to write, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So now I know when I do my problem, the first thing I'm looking for is parentheses. Do I have parentheses? Yes, right here. My next step is inside the parentheses, I'm looking for exponents. Do we have exponents? No. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes, we have division. So, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Next, what I'll do is bring that 1 down to match the rest of my problem. So, my new problem looks like 1 plus 2 plus 11. When I add 1 plus 2 plus 11, my answer is now 14. You will see that in step 3. I keep the 14 in parentheses and bring down the rest of the problem. I now have 14 divided by 2. Boys and girls, the final answer here is 7. Awesome job so far. If you have any questions about the steps in this problem, please write them down and we will go over them tomorrow. I would like you to try one more problem on your own. I will walk you through the steps, but I will not reveal the answer until tomorrow. Here's your problem. 60 divided by 3 plus 12 inside parentheses. Here we go. I rewrote the problem for you again. On the top of my page, I'm going to write, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Step 1, do I have parentheses? Yes. Inside of my parentheses, do I have any exponents? No. Any multiplication or division? Nope. Any addition or subtraction? Yes, we have addition. 3 plus 12 equals 15. For step 2, I'm going to bring 60 divided by down to match 15 from my parentheses. So what you will do is solve the rest of this problem. Good luck. See you tomorrow with your answer and any questions that you have.